Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to do, to use, a bit of both. Show you how to do, I don't know what to call it. We're basically going to do cat's eye gel polish with blooming gel.
See what happens.
Yes. What I'm going to do first of all is put on a base coat of Cabernet. Cabernet.
Oh man.
Oh, I don't know how to say it.
Cabernet.
They are.
Somebody actually said in the comment section that I was wrong for saying that. It's not Cabernet.
What is it?
Well, I don't know, because that's a problem. You can't, unless they spell it out phonetically, then I don't know what they're trying to say.
Really French?
No.
Oh, they don't know then. They don't have as much clue as us.
And I'm just going to put one coat of that on. Pop me that in the lamp. So what I'm going to do now is do a layer of blooming gel over the top of that colour. And then we're going to get Power Cut from the Cat's Eye range. Pop some of that down. And then we're going to keep scooping some up. And we're going to create some dots. And watch them bloom. Remember when we had a power cut?
Yeah, I do remember.
I'm surprised you can remember, because you got a bit of a bump on the head.
Yeah, concussion.
Yeah, a little bit concussion.
And then ended up with Faye afterwards. That was world's worst client day, that.
And then we're going to get the cat eye magnet. Hover that over the top. And then pop that into the lamp. Right, now we're going to top coat. And I'm going to do 2 top coats, but I'm going to buff this one after because we have those little dots where we've touched the gel, which was always going to happen. Pop that in the lamp, and I'm going to show you one in a different colour. So on this one we're going to use a different colour. So we're going to do the background as Serious Black. So this will just give you a few different ideas of how you can use this technique in different ways. Pop that in the lamp. And like I said, I'm going to buff this now. And what it'll do, it'll smooth any of those little dots that we had. And we're going to top coat for the final time. So what this does is it draws the metal particles towards the centre, and then everything else goes dark. Putting it on this. So once you've got your black on, we're going to apply the blooming gel, just like we did before. But we're going to use this colour, which is it's the one I can't say.
Extraterrestrial.
Extraterrestrial. ET, basically. So, instead of doing it with a dotting tool or a pointed tool, we're going to use a brush and see. I mean, that looks pretty nice already, but let's get the magnet on. So we're going to hover over the top with the magnet for a few seconds. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Now I'm going to top coat. It's quite subtle, but I like it.
It's nice. I like that.
So it's quite subtle, but it's a cool effect. I like this kind of rose. If you want something a bit softer, this one's a bit more fierce, I think. It's a bit more like an animal. You're an animal.
I'm an animal.
You're an animal. It's a bit more like a snake kind of print, but it just shows you that you can do things like this with the cat's eye. You don't just have to do a normal cat's eye design. You can use it to create totally different looks. There you are, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.